I used to sue people, place accounts on people's credit. And yes, I used to buy debt pennies on the dollar. So I'm the person who in credit repair who will tell you right off the bat and be honest up front. Sometimes you're going to have to pay your debt. And if you do, you're going to want Debt Negotiator Pro. This is 13 years of negotiating debt on the other side, being the person asking the money. So I teach you the tricks in the trade. That's why I take credit repair and debt collections. I combined it. And what I'm offering you guys is the best thing that you can get. And I like to call it the best thing since sliced bread when it comes to credit repair, because you're not going to find the value anywhere else, right?